A solid CRM strategy is the foundation of all modern businesses. A great CRM tool turns that into reality. But you often find yourself spending hours entering data to share information you already know. Wouldn't it be nice if the value you get out of your CRM is a lot greater than the information you put in? That's why Sugar CRM created Hint. Let's see what this looks like. You need to research Larry, a new lead, but all you have is a name and an email address. You enter the lead in Sugar, save it, and it's now automatically propagated into the list view. Not a lot of information there. Here's where you would usually spend 10, 20, 30 minutes scouring the web for information about Larry and his company. But now, with Hint, all that data is automatically gathered and instantly made available. Everything on the right-hand side of the screen marked with a cloud icon is information that Sugar has automatically imported from third-party data providers and from different sources within Sugar. You can easily choose what you want to bring into Sugar. As you can see, there's no account name, but Hint has found this information for you. You just need to click the cloud icon to save it into Larry's record. This is what data input should look like. And with Hint, you can do a lot more. You can find out how big Larry's company is, its location, and what industry it belongs to, in order to assess whether it's a good sales prospect. You can even explore Larry's educational history or visit Larry's social profiles on Facebook and Twitter. In just a few seconds, Hint has provided all you need to make an engaging conversation. You can even click on Larry's email to open a drawer and create an email for him. You can scroll down and see the entire activity history related to the lead. Emails, meetings, and calls are all listed there. You can access Hint from several areas within Sugar, through the preview button in the contacts list view, the preview button in the leads list view, the preview button in the contacts subpanel, the preview button in the leads subpanel, or even the preview button in the global search. You can also add the Hint dashlet to your contacts record view, or in the leads record view. With Hint and Sugar, you'll get a great deal of useful, actionable information while supplying very little. Hint by Sugar CRM. We help you build better business relationships. Try it today.